Hi, Deufol. How long will it take to pack my machine?
The length of time it takes to package a machine is first dependent on what else we have in the queue and other commitments we've made to other customers. The first day when the machine comes in, it's offloaded, it's inspected, pictures are taken. If there's anything that looks out of order or something that might have been dinged or damaged, we would send those pictures to the customer for their review. The second day, we lay out the machine, we measure it, we design the packaging, and then the third day we start building um, the packaging. And again, depending on what we have in the queue, it can take, if we're pressed and something needs to be expedited, we can probably do it in 4 to 5 days, but we always ask for 5 to 10 business days. There you have it.